Province, Philippines! Today guys, we are going to show you how to make a lotion bar, and we will also be showing to you how to use it. Lotion bars are anhydrous product, meaning there is no added water on it comparing to the traditional lotion on a bottle that contains more likely 80% of water with preservatives.
That's right guys, these lotion bars are very easy to make with these incredible ingredients. Before we start, let us introduce you these wonderful ingredients of this recipe. We will be needing shea butter, extracted from the nuts of the shea tree that is native to Africa. This is rich in fats, which makes it emollient and skin moisturizing agent. It contains vitamin A and vitamin E, which keeps the skin healthy and protects it from being damaged by the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation.
Our next ingredient is a cocoa butter. This is from cocoa bean. This is an amazing moisturizer and rich in antioxidants that help fight off free radical damage that may cause skin aging, dark patches, and dull skin. It has been noted by some that it helps to ease skin irritations such as eczema and dermatitis.
We will also be needing beeswax. This can create a protective layer on the skin. It is humectant, which means it attracts water. Both of these qualities can help the skin stay hydrated. Beeswax is also a natural exfoliator, ideal for sloughing away dead skin cells.
We will also be using a coconut oil. Coconut oil helps to reduce dryness and allow your skin to retain the moisture. This provides a protective barrier, helping shield skin from the environmental toxin, dirt, and other itchy stuff you face every day.
We also have here sweet almond oil, which contains all sorts of natural goodness that includes vitamin A, vitamin E, essential fatty acid, protein, potassium, and zinc. As a very mild hypoallergenic oil, sweet almond oil is safe for almost all skin type, sensitive, dry, oily. This oil can also lighten the appearance of some scar. It rejuvenates the skin tissues that possibly even out the color and texture, the healing process left behind.
We also have here a rosemary, lavender essential oil, and milk extract that gives a divine fragrance aside from the amazing properties that help your skin nourishing, luxurious, smooth, and moisturized. So without further ado, let us proceed.
We also have here a microwave oven to use for melting, but you can also use double boiler to monitor the temperature while melting your oils and butter. We also need this Pyrex container for all our ingredients. We will also use these chopsticks to stir the butter. Then here is our cute silicone molder where we will pour our mixture.
So first off, let us melt our hard ingredient, the shea butter, the cocoa butter, and the beeswax. So here you go guys, let us place this into the microwave and set for 3 minutes. waiting, let us encourage you guys a scripture from the book of Jeremiah chapter 17 verse 7 that says, "Blessed is the man that trusted in the Lord and whose hope the Lord is."
Ta 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 After 3 minutes from the microwave, let us add our coconut oil and sweet almond oil. And bring back again for another 2 minutes. So as you can see, our ingredients are all natural and eco-friendly since we do not use plastic bottles as container.
After 2 minutes, let us now stir the mixture to check the melting process. Since it's not fully melted, let us bring it back to the microwave for another 1 minute. While waiting, let us now spray with some alcohol into our silicone mold to assure that it was clean and free from bacteria.
So I think everything now is fully melted, so let's take it out and stir for a few minutes to cool down. Let this cool down first before we will add our essential oils and milk extract.
It is now time to add our essential oil and milk extract gently. This will take some time, so it needs patience for this so that it will be fully incorporated. Now it's time to pour it into our silicone mold just like this.
Alright guys, we just need to wait until this turns into beautiful solid lotions. So what we usually do is to leave this overnight. While waiting, we will prepare the boxes and labels. And yes guys, we do make the boxes of these lotion bars. we will be showing you the detailed making of these boxes of our lotion bars and soaps in another videos.
There you go guys, now it's fully solid. Let us gently unmold this. And place it directly into the box that we prepared. Unmold another one. Then place it into this box. We have left one bar here, so we will show you how to use it.
This is around 55 grams, 57 to be exact. So you just rub between your palm to create some body heat to just perfectly unmelt the amount you needed. Then apply it on your arms or any part of your skin. This is so good. It is ideal to apply this when your pores are still open, like after taking a shower.
That's right guys, so this is an amazing way to pamper your skin. Thank you so much guys for watching, and for those who have not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on our next video.
So if you want to grab some of these lotion bars, just drop by into our walk-in shop here in Masablang, Paracelis Mountain Province, or just private message Let's Peter on Messenger, or reach out on the details below.
Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Have a good day. God bless. Bye-bye.